Welcome to today's podcast Asterisk. We will talk about the 300 most important sentences in the English language.
Hello.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is nice to meet. You? Where are you from? I'm from... How old are you? I'm years old. What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a teacher. Asterisk yes. No, please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me, I'm sorry. It's okay. I don't understand. Can you help me? I don't speak English well. Speak slowly, please. What does this mean? I need a doctor. Call the police. Asterisk, I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. A table for two, please. Can I see the menu? I'd like. The bill, please. This is delicious. I'm allergic to no sugar, please. Water, please. I have a reservation. I need a room. For how many nights? With a bathroom? Time is. Check out. Can I have the key, please? The air conditioning isn't working. There is no hot water. Can I get room service? Want to check out. How much is this? That's too expensive. Can I try it on? Do you have this in another size? I'll take it. I'm just looking. Is this on sale? I need a receipt. Can I pay by card? Cash only? Where is the airport? I have a flight to catch. Where is the check-in counter? Here is my passport.
Do.
I need a visa. What time does the flight leave? Is the flight delayed? Where is gate number 5? I missed my flight. I'm here on vacation. I'm here on business. How long are you staying? I'm staying for 2 weeks. Is this your first time here? Where can I find a taxi? Need a map. Is it far from here? Can I walk there? I'd like to rent a car. What's the best way to get there? Excuse me, where's the bank? Go straight ahead, turn right. Turn. Left. It's near. It's far. It's next to the supermarket. Across the street, on the corner, behind the building. In front of the hotel. How do I get there? Is it walking distance? Take a taxi. Take the bus. Nearby, I'm lost. Can you show me on the map? Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Help. I need help. Call an ambulance. I'm hurt. I had an accident. I feel sick. I'm having chest pain. It's an emergency. I need a doctor. Where is the hospital? I lost my passport. I've been robbed. I want to report a crime. Someone stole my bag. Can you call the police? I'm afraid. Stay calm. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. I need a lawyer. I work in an office. I'm looking for a job. I have a meeting. What time is the meeting? I'm busy right now. I'll call you later. Can you send me an email? I'll get back to you. I need this by tomorrow. The deadline is today. I'm working from home. I'm on a break. Can we reschedule? I'll think about it. Let's discuss this. Sounds good. I agree. I disagree. Let's move on. Nice work. I'm a student. Why study English? What's your favorite subject? I like math. I have homework. The exam is tomorrow. I passed the test. I failed. I need to study. This is difficult. This is easy. I understand. Can you explain that? Can you explain that? Hand. Read this page. Write your name. Don't be late. Open your book. Time's up. What's up? Not much. How's it going? Pretty good. What do you like to do? I like watching movies. I love music. Do you play sports? Go to. The gym. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. Let's hang out. I'm tired. I'm bored. Let's watch something that's funny. I'm just kidding, really. It's amazing. I can't believe it. Hello, this is Name. Who's calling, please? Can I speak to Name? Hold on, please. Just a moment. I'll call you back. You're breaking up. Can you hear me? I'll send you a message. Leave a message after the beep. I got your message. Sorry I missed your call. Let's talk later. It was nice talking to you. Talk to you soon. Can I have your number? What's your email? I'll email you. Keep in touch? It depends. I'm not sure that makes sense. That's a good idea. That's interesting. Let me think. I've heard that before. I didn't catch that. What do you mean? Are you serious? No way. I guess so. I hope so. I'm not sure about that. That's not right. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. I'm on it. I got it. You got this. Believe in yourself. Good luck. Take care. Have fun. Enjoy your day. Have a safe trip. All the best. What's going on? That's enough. Let's do it. Asterisk. What time is it? Where are you? Going. What are you doing? What happened? What's wrong? What's the problem? Who is that? Where is the bathroom? Can I help you? What do you think? What should I do? How do you say this in English? How much does it cost? Where? Can I find a taxi? What's the weather like? What time do you open? Is it open now? Can I try? Is this seat taken? Do you understand? Could you repeat that? Where do you live? Are you ready? What's your plan? Do you speak English? Can I ask you something? Are you okay? May I come in? Can I sit here? Would you like something to drink? I'm on my way. I just got home. I'll be there soon. It's up to you. Don't mention it. Take your time. I'm in a hurry. I'm running late. What's the matter? I have no idea. It's not my fault. I'm proud of you. It's getting late. Let me know. It's not what I meant. Just a second. I'll think about it. You never know. A long time no see. Better late than never. Practice makes perfect. Changed my mind. Let's get started. That's a great deal. I'm freezing. I think that's enough for now. See you later. See you tomorrow. I'm happy for you. I need a break. Me help you. Don't give up. Keep going. You're doing great. I trust you. Let's celebrate. Everything is ready. That was awesome. Thank you so much. Asterisk, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a story. And this was today's podcast. See you tomorrow, dear listener.